Today we're going to go over the chords of the A major scale. So the first chord is A major. On the root note A, do the major chord formula, 4 half steps plus 3 half steps. So it's 1 half step, 2 half step, 3 half step, 4 half step. So the notes A, C sharp, and from C sharp we do 3 half steps. 1 half step, 2 half step, 3 half steps. So the notes A, C sharp, and E, that is A major, and that is your first chord. Your second chord is B minor, so you're going to find the root note B. Do the minor chord formula, 3 half steps plus 4 half steps, so it's 1 half step, 2 half step, 3 half steps, so the notes B and D. And then from D, you're going to do 4 half steps. 1 half step, 2 half step, 3 half step, 4 half steps. So the notes B, D, and F sharp. That is chord 2, and it's B minor. Chord 3 is C sharp minor, so you're going to find the note C sharp. Do the minor chord formula, 3 half steps plus 4 half steps, so it's 1 half step, 2 half step, 3 half steps. So the notes C sharp and E. And from E, you're going to do 4 half steps. 1 half step, 2 half step, 3 half step, 4 half steps. So the notes C sharp, E, and G sharp. That's your third chord, and it is C sharp minor. Chord 4 is D major. You're going to find the root note D. You do the major chord formula, 4 half steps plus 3 half steps. 1 half step, 2 half step, 3 half step, 4 half steps. The notes D, F sharp. From F sharp, you're going to do 3 half steps. 1 half step, 2 half step, 3 half steps. So the notes D, F sharp, and A. That is D major, and it's your fourth chord. Your fifth chord is E major. You're going to find the root note E. And you're going to do the major chord formula. So it's 4 half steps plus 3 half steps. 1 half step, 2 half step, 3 half step, 4 half steps. So the notes E and G sharp. And from G sharp, you're going to do 3 half steps. 1 half step, 2 half step, 3 half steps. So the notes E, G sharp, and B. That is your fifth chord, and it's E major. Your sixth chord is F sharp minor. So you're going to find the note F sharp. And you're going to do the minor chord formula, 3 half steps plus 4 half steps. So it's 1 half step, 2 half step, 3 half steps. So the notes F sharp, A. And then from A, you're going to do 4 half steps. 1 half step, 2 half step, 3 half step, 4 half steps. So the notes F sharp, A, and C sharp. That is your sixth chord, and it's F sharp minor. Your seventh chord is G sharp diminished. So you're going to find the G sharp note. You're going to do the diminished chord formula, 3 half steps plus 3 half steps. It's 1 half step, 2 half step, 3 half steps. So the notes G sharp, B. And from B, you're going to do 3 half steps. 1 half step, 2 half step, 3 half steps. So G sharp, B, and D, that is your seventh chord. It's G sharp diminished. Those are the 7 chords of the A major scale. I hope you guys enjoyed it.